Welcome back to MiniTraders, your comprehensive guide to algorithmic trading. In this video, we'll be discussing the infrastructure you need to get started with algo trading. Python is an open-source programming language that is widely used in finance, data analysis, and scientific computing. It's known for its simplicity, ease of use, and readability, making it an ideal language for beginners to learn. Python has a vast array of libraries and tools that are used for algo trading, including NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. These libraries provide powerful data analysis and modeling capabilities that can be used to build complex trading algorithms. Anaconda is a platform for Python that comes pre-installed with many popular libraries and tools used in data science and machine learning, including the ones mentioned earlier. It also includes a package manager that makes it easy to install additional libraries and tools as needed. Using Anaconda saves your time and effort by eliminating the need to download and install individual packages separately. Additionally, Anaconda provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage environments which are separate instances of Python with their own set of installed libraries and tools. MetaTrader 5 is a multi-asset trading platform that provides access to a wide range of financial markets, including forex, stocks, futures, and options. It's used by millions of traders around the world and is highly regarded for its reliability and security. The platform provides a comprehensive set of tools for charting, technical analysis, and algorithmic trading. Its built-in programming language, MQL5, allows traders to write custom indicators and trading robots or expert advisors using C-like syntax. So there we have Python, Anaconda, and MetaTrader 5, the three essential software tools we need to get started with algo trading. Don't forget to subscribe to MiniTraders for more in-depth tutorial on algorithmic trading. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.